Hi. In this video we will see in simpliRP how meticulously we can record, monitor and control the service engineer visits to a customer location. In Service Engineer Visit Register, go to Service Engineer Visit Entry. Please enter the date of visit. Select the service person name, who visited the customer. Please select the customer. Enter the contact person name. Select the item serviced. Please enter from time and to time. Please enter the quantity of items serviced. Please enter the type of service. You can also enter the next action. It's very important to enter in how many days the next visit has to be done. This will be monitored in follow-up calendar. Please enter the work status and details of visit. Please press Tab. System will prompt with all the sales orders received from the select customer. Click Save. We will enter another visit now. Here we try to enter the same timeline for the same service person. System will prompt for overlapping entries. We will now see how these info are detailed in the report. Please go to Service Person Visit Report. Select Dates and Filters. You can see all the service reports. You can also click on the report ID and you will be able to see the individual report. This can be used for travel expense or conveyance approvals. You can also click Find Next Visit Due Report. Select upcoming dates. You can see the upcoming scheduled service visits. This will be very useful in planning service person's future visit. You can also go to Reports, Our Service Person Follow-up Report. Select the calendar. You can see all the service visit schedules for that month. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your service department. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.